The Djvu Ransomware family has made major headlines as it continues to be among the most prolific ransomware families in the world. It is said that the Djvu Ransomware family spawns at least 3 new variants on a weekly basis, and one of those is Lisa Ransomware. Lisa Ransomware received its name from the .lisa suffix that it appends to the affected files. This ransomware strain works identically with other members of the Djvu Ransomware family. The same applies to the program's distribution, as Lisa Ransomware spreads mostly via spam emails, social engineering, and compromised websites. The Lisa Ransomware experience. Users will unknowingly download Lisa Ransomware and suddenly find that their files have been encrypted and are now inaccessible. Affected files will be appended with the .lisa suffix, and victims will find a ransom note on their desktop in the form of the _readme.txt document. The cybercriminals behind Lisa Ransomware request a payment of $980 for file decryption, but they're willing to lower that price to $490 in return for payment within 72 hours. The hackers also provide victims with contact information in the form of 2 emails: helpteam@mail.ch and helpmanager@airmail.cc. Victims are asked to send 1 file to be decrypted for free as proof that the ransomware operators can unlock the victim's files after receiving payment. As always, we strongly recommend that victims do not communicate with the hackers and refrain from paying any ransom, as paying does not guarantee that victims will receive a decryption tool. Surviving a Lisa ransomware attack. In general, we strongly recommend that users keep backups of their valuable files to mitigate the trouble caused by ransomware infections. But if you should find yourself infected by Lisa Ransomware, we recommend that you use a reputable anti-malware remediation tool to scan for and remove elements related to this nasty infection. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to ENIGMASOFTware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.